This year, my wife and I celebrated our 10-year anniversary and final baby moon by leaving our kids behind with their grandparents to travel to one of our favorite places in the world, Switzerland. Instead of sharing a Google Doc of our itinerary, I wanted to put together a travel series from all the footage that I shot during our trip. Like the old saying goes, it's better to show, not tell. It's 5:09 a.m. and we are very jet lagged, but that actually works out in our favor because today there's really bad weather. It's forecasted to rain almost the entire day. Early on, hopefully there's some better weather. It's supposed to be partly cloudy, a few showers here and there. So we're gonna try to squeeze in 2 hikes. This is probably the most stressful day because of the weather. This is supposed to be spread out over 2 days, but because of our flight delay on the East Coast, we had to kind of improvise. So I'm trying to squeeze in 3 things into one morning. All right, wish us luck. All right, we parked our car here. This is Wasserauen. All right, we got rainy weather today. So when I stepped out of the car, I took a huge whiff of the air expecting like to smell grass and plants, but it smelled like manure. Understandable, we're in the countryside, lots of cows. And this has been the theme so far of this walk. Lots of splattered cow poop. After walking about 5 minutes, I'm gonna hit this gate. All right, started to get super warm. As you can see, skies are partly cloudy. All right, so stop drizzling. And so yeah, didn't need the poncho anymore. Didn't need the jacket, long sleeves. Having a pregnant wife means walking slower and taking lots of breaks.